Hello friends, you're welcome to my complete Java course. In the previous video, we learned the instance initialization block. In this video, we learned the static keywords and static initialization block. Okay, so let's start today's video lecture. Static keyword in Java. Java static keyword. The static keyword in Java is used for memory management mainly. We can apply static keyword with variables, methods, block, and nested class. So static keywords shape the memory. How it shape the memory? We will learn in a few seconds. So here Java static. Java static is a can be we can apply a static keywords on variables, on methods, on block, and on a nested classes. Number 1. Java static variable. If you declare any variable as a static, it is known as a static variable. The static variable can be used to refer to common property of all objects. For example, the company name of the employees, college name of the student. Okay, so suppose you are creating a class and you want to define a company name. Then company name should be defined as a static because n number of employees is working in the company, but the company name will be same. So in the object, when you create the object uh, for the employee, so the company name property or will not be created again and again. So because the company name for the all employees will remain same, then whatever the property is common for the all for uh, for in the all object. Suppose you have a class employees. In this employee class you have a properties like employee name, employee age, employee company, and you have a 5,000 employees. So if you create a 5,000 employees object, in this 5,000 employees object the company name will be same. So these type of variables you should be defined as a static. Number 3. The static variables get memory only once in the class area at the time of class loading. Why we define these common fields as a static? Because the static variables get memory only once in the method area or class area, which we have learned in the JVM architecture. What is the class area or what is the method area? So static variables take the memory from the take the memory in the method area, or it takes the memory only one time. Okay, because why one time? Because the fields is common. So if you will not define the fields static, when whenever you will create the object, it will take the memory again and again. So it will create a memory problem. So advantage of a static variable, it makes your program memory efficient. That is, it saves memory. Understanding the problem without static variable. Suppose you define a class student with three fields: roll number, name, and college name. Okay, suppose there are 500 students in my college. Now all instance data members will get memory each time when the object is created. All students have its unique roll number and name. So instance data member is good in such case. Here college refers to the common property of all objects. If we make it static, this field will get the memory only once. So here I have taken the example student. Define three fields: roll number, instance variable, name. which is also instance variable, and string as a static. So static variable, and I define a its. Constructor, we are using the constructor for initializing the value of instance variable. Okay, we cannot initialize the static fields in the constructor. Now we create a method which are displaying the roll number, name and college name. Okay, now create a test class where we define a method, main method. Now we are creating two objects, student s1, student s2. We can change the college of all objects by the single line of code. Suppose here we have a 5000 students and we want to change the name of the college. Then we change the, if we change the college property for the one student, or then it will change, it will change for the all student. And how to access the field of static field? You can access the static field by using the class name directly or by using the object as well. So let's I show you this example on the Eclipse IDE. So just look it, I have copy and paste the code from the slide for saving the time. So just I create a student class, define a two property, roll number and name, and create the constructor, and college name define as a static, and we give the ITS, which is the name of the college. Now you create and run this program and displaying the S1 data result and S2 display data result. Okay, now you can see the student S ID, name and college name. The college name is same, so we define the static. Suppose if we want to change the college name, because college name is static, so if we change one time, it will reflect in the all object, because the static property is a common for the all object. Okay, so now in this time the college name has changed. This name you can change also by the help of the object of the class. Now I would like to show you, if you change the static field by any object, like suppose S1 object change the college TTI, and if you run, this will reflect in the both object, in Aryan and current as well, because this is the common property. Any changes made by any object, it will reflect for the all the objects. I think now you understand the concept of the static. Static means common for all the objects. Okay, now let's understand with the figure or with the picture. Suppose you create a two object S1 or S2 in the stack memory. So object is created in the heap memory, but reference is created in the stack memory. So S1 referring to the ID 111 and current, and S2 is representing ID 222 and RN. But there are a class method area or class area. Class area and method area is the same. So heap memory contain the object, stack memory contain the reference, and class area contain the static field. So college will store in the static memory. So both this object and this object will refer the property from the class area. So these are the common property for both object. If there are a n number of object, also then the static member variable will be common for all the object. So this is the use. This is the use of static keyword. Suppose you have to 5000 students then there is no, you need not to create a college field 5000 times for each and every object. If you define a college name as well as instance variable, then you need to add one field in this object in the heap memory. So it will wastage of the memory. That is why we use the concept of the static.